it's what you're essentially doing here is you're making a system of equations. Okay, we'll make this one the blue one. Okay, and this one right here, we'll make the red one. Okay, so the blue one is 3 times log base 2 of x. And then your other one is going to be x to the third minus 4x squared plus 4x. Okay, we're going to graph each of these like it's a system of equations, and we're going to look for the point of intersection. So here we go. I'm going to say 3 times log base 2. There's 2 ways to do this. You can do the change of base ratio. You can say log of x divided by log of 2, or we can say math and then go all the way down to a. And now we can just type a using our calculator, the alpha, or you can go all the way down to the log base. And so if I press enter, there you go. We have 2 and then x. All right, that's the first one. The other one is x to the third minus 4x squared plus 4x. So we have x, and to get the third power, we got to use the caret button. We type in 3. We get out of the exponent, and then we're going to say minus 4x squared. And for squared, we can use the caret again, or you can press the squared button. It's up to you. Plus 4x. And now when I graph, I get both of them. And if you guys don't get this nice viewing window, like let's say it's all messed up. Okay, here, let me mess up my window here. I'll put a 0 for the x min, and for the y max, let's say it's 50, not 10. Look at my window now. It's all messed up. Look at that. It's all weird. It's not the same as what it was before. So what you do is you press zoom, and then you want the standard window. That's negative 10, 10, and then negative 10, 10 for each axis, the x-axis and the y-axis. So I'm going to select 6, so I hit 6. It changes my window automatically to be negative 10 to 10, negative 10 to 10. And if I select window, you guys can see all the numbers are back to where they were. Okay, so once you guys get here, to find your points of intersection, we're going to use a tool in the calculator. It's underneath this calc button. You guys see this calc button up here? Right up here. You see the calc? Okay, it's the trace button. In order to do that, we have to press second first. So let's press second first, and then calc. And you want to select 5. You can go down with the arrows and press enter, or you can just select 5. And now this is the tool, the intersect tool. Now the intersect tool requires you to select your 2 curves and then select the area that you want it to find the point of intersection. So it says, you want this to be your first curve? And I say, sure. If I don't want it to be my first curve, I just use the up and down arrow, okay? I could jump to the other curve. You see that? I could jump to the other curve. Ooh. So it doesn't matter which one's your first and your second curve. Just press enter for each one. And then when it says guess, you got to drag your cursor over to the point of intersection that you want. Now, it does give us 3.3. So if it gives me 3.3, I think 3.3 is, see, 1, 2, 3. This is 3. That looks like it's 3.3 right there. So this one is the one I want to find. I want to find the first point of intersection. So you got to make sure this cursor thing that's blinking is closest to this point of intersection, not this point of intersection. So then you hit enter, and it'll do an algorithm, and then booyah, it gives you your answer. Look, there's my answer, 1.2, right? It says round to the nearest tenth. So I put 1.2 in here, and you're done.